Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is March the 11th, and we are in Greenville, South Carolina, which was I've been up here numerous times to do jobs. Usually, people find me on YouTube, and this is what this homeowner did. Quentin, he's leaving right now. He said he'll be back. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit over 600 square feet screen and recoat with UV cure. That's one of the services that I offer. I actually went and did 2 consultations this morning. Both of them is going to be screen and recoat with UV cure. So anyway, guys, let's flip this around. My client that he's leaving. He said, Courtney, I'll be back. So anyway, let me flip this around. Guys, so again, it is a beautiful day today. We are in Greenville, South Carolina. This is a simple project, screen recoat with UV cure. Tomorrow we have a screen recoat, engineered floors, UV cure. Thursday, it's a move out. They're just doing a screen and recoat. Friday, screen and recoat, UV cure. Saturday, screen recoat, UV cure. So anyway, guys, with these floors, as you can see, we've done these floors a lot. This is the typical hand scrape engineered floor. Floor cannot be sanded. When it starts to take some wear, people are like, oh, what can I do? They do research, they find my videos, and this is the floor that we can bring back to life. So we got some missing veneer, which causes some missing color. So we have a unique process called color correction, like special up in here, special up in here. So what we want to do first is get a good abrasion of the floor. Once we abrade that floor, that means we want to get some good adhesion with our color correction and also our finish. All right, guys, and after this, we'll be heading back. And all right, stay tuned. All right, guys, about to put the rag coat in. Got a great color correction. All right, now time to add some new coating to this floor. Color correction came out really good, really good. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Job well done. The client was so happy with the results. He actually had to leave to go catch a flight, so he's gonna write me a great review on Google. He said he was quoted like $7 grand to replace these floors. All right, and you can see that we did an amazing screen and recoat with that amazing color correction. He loved that part right there. All right, guys, another job well done. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm my appointment for tomorrow. I actually picked up 2 paid consultations, one for this Friday in Decatur and also one for Saturday in Atlanta. All right, and yep, that's gonna do it. All right, guys, see you in the next one.